We are at Vincom Mall in Muji shop, Japanese shop, where you must have seen my previous video. So they have cookies option. They have strawberries jam sandwich. I highly recommend this shop for all visitors. And we have cream sandwich biscuits and small pies. So easy to eat food. You can enjoy chocolate, salty chocolate stick pie here. You have kids, you can have candies.